Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 3A, in which we will learn the makharij of letters wa and fa. What is Tajweed? To recite the Quran nicely. That is, according to makharij and sifat of letters and other rules or qawaid of recitation. We have started with a letter poem. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. And in the last lesson, we have learned the first two letters, ma and ba, which are very simple. And to remember these four letters, we have this sentence, Mummy Baba with flowers welcoming you because you are learning Tajweed. So how do you say wa? Form a circle of the lips. Form a circle of the lips and then separate them to produce the sound. Wa. Wa. How do you say fa? Touch the lower lip to the edge of the upper teeth. Fa. You already know this one. We will focus only on those makharij where people commit mistakes. For example, in wa and fa, we will focus on wa only. So how do you say it again? Form a circle of the lips. That's very important. Wa, circle of the lips, and then separate them to produce a sound. So first circle and then wa. Wa. Or similarly, we can say ow, ow, ow. Common mistakes are, don't say it as V of English. Va. No, very. No, that's not wow. So let us practice it properly. You have to make circle. So repeat 3 times after me. Ow, 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 ow. Or let's take the 3 together. Repeat after me. Wa. We, woo, wa, we, woo, again, wa, we, woo, again, wa, we, woo, and the next 3, one, win, won, again, one, win, won, again, one, win, won, mashallah. Let's use these letters or this letter wa in different styles, in different words. Repeat after me 3 times. Awha, 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 awha. Waswas, 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 waswas. Similarly, yuwaswisu, 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 and wujuh, 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 wujuh. Alright, mashallah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.